How are you? I hope you're home and safe and well and getting through this thing as best you can. I had a real setback this week, which might just cheer you up. You know how we all have our favorite t-shirts? This is probably my favorite t-shirt. It's blue. It's bluer than I remember because I had the cataract operation this week. So much so that I got two of them. Two of my favorite t-shirts. At least they were until today when I discovered this. Yep. Here he is. That is the Prime Minister of Australia, Scott Morrison, pretending to cook in a publicity shot, wearing my favorite t-shirt. Yeah. It says here that lawyers acting on behalf of the brand DEUS EX MACHINA are asking the Prime Minister to cease and desist using their t-shirts in their publicity shots because single-handedly he is turning a cool brand into a daggy dad brand. And now I feel completely different about my favorite t-shirt. Yes, that was a blow. Here's a Deus Ex Machina story that I always like. You know my friend Brian Brown, we speak a lot, called me one day. He said, "Mate, you wouldn't guess what I've been doing today. I've been modelling." I said, "Modelling?" He said, "Yeah, I've been modelling for a catalogue, for a cool brand." I said, "Oh, that's unbelievable, Brian. You've been modelling?" He said, Yeah. I said, "What's the brand?" He said, "DEUS Sex Machine, mate." I said, "Can you? DEUS Sex Machine. You know, it's a cool brand. They sell motorbikes, they sell t-shirts, all kind of cool stuff." I said, "Brian, I think you mean Deus Ex Machina. It's Latin. God out of the machine. It's a theatrical, never mind." Anyway, yeah, that's my Deus story. That's my favorite t-shirt, but it was. I might just give it to Brian. What do you think?